Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the difference between much and many. Yes, since both the words sounds to be different, but in meaning we feel that they are similar, but actually it is not similar. Okay, the usage of both the words are different. We use much for all the things which are uncountable, like water, oil, soil, milk, sunlight, our dreams, yes, stars. All these things are uncountable. So for these things we are going to use much. Yes, how much rice do you want? How much rice do you want? Yes, since rice is not countable, and we use many for all those things which are countable, like children, animals, trees, chocolates, language. Yes, all these are countable. So I can ask you, how many languages do you know? Yes, how many chocolates did you eat? Right? I hope you understood the difference between much and many, and now you are going to use both these words correctly in your sentences. Thank you.